Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy here and I have some happy mail. It's a big one. So, happy mail guys. So let's have a little look. Now I did get a little message from someone saying they'd sent me some. And I believe that this is it. Usually there's an address on the side, but I can't see one. But I've got a feeling it might be from Sharon. Let's have a look. Because she did say that she'd sent me some. And unless someone else has also, then that's where it's from. Right, we're in. There might be a little letter inside, we'll have to see. So first off, I think it is because a little while ago, I got some of this ABC yarn. It was blue and green, and this one is a really beautiful brown and kind of salmon colour. Wow, that is lovely and soft. That is beautiful. So that is 150 grams, approximately 450 meters, or 492 yards. It's 100% acrylic. Does feel softer than that. It's called apricot tart. Apricot tart. That is really lovely. Isn't that beautiful? So it says it's DK, but it isn't a thin DK. If you look at it, it's quite a nice size. That is pretty. Look at that. Wow. So I've got one of those, two, enough to make something here, guys. There's three. Oh, you know what I'm going to say now, don't you? I say it every time when I do this. Boobies. Yarn boobies. Sorry about that. Lowering the tone. Hold on a moment. There's more. There's four. Hang on. There may be more. Is that different? We'll get to that in a moment. It might be different. So this one. Oh, this is lovely. This is called Happy Sheep. Now, I did get some Happy Sheep Aran before as well. Look at that. Beautiful colour pink. That is gorgeous. I do love Aran yarn. Nice bit of Aran. I've just been... as you know, I have my own online shop. Excuse me, my neck light was going a bit adrift. And I've been trying to get some more interesting Aran yarns. So I've done a few orders lately, but I seem to find some really gorgeous DKs as well. So I did a little post on Facebook yesterday and Instagram that I have coming soon yarns by Papatia. I don't know how to say that. Elise and Yarn Art and some others that I can't remember at the minute. But I love this stuff. I've got a really nice one before which was blue. It's all up there on my shelf. One of these days I will make something with it. This is called Pale Rose 1024 and looking for... No sheep were sheared to make this yarn, so rest assured they're all warm and snuggly in their own woolly jumpers tonight. Must be acrylic. Okay, so yeah, 100% acrylic, 280 meters. Knits to all DK patterns, but it says Aran. That doesn't make any sense then, does it? If it's Aran yarn, then it's a 4-weight, not a 3-weight. But I'd say... I don't know. What do you think, guys? Looks like a DK. I love that. That is pretty. So that's that one. We've got another cake here. Oh, this is a Lion brand mandala. Look at that. That is so sunny, isn't it? And they've got some interesting kind of colours in the middle as well. Look. Oh, I like this one. This is very nice. Oh, yarn. 590 yards, 540 meters. It is a 3-weight, and I'm sorry if I look blue, but you know, can't be helped. This is called Thunderbird. Wow, Thunderbird. I want to go dum 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 dum. Thunderbirds, I go, but I won't. I'll resist the urge. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. That's mega soft. I do have a few mandalas. As you can probably see, there's more than that. I just can't get them all on the one shelf where they face out. But I love this one. Beautiful. Wow, I do. And there is a little note So this is where we can make sure who it is from. Where are we? Whoa, it's quite big. Bear with me a sec, guys. Hope you like the Happy Mail. Oh, bless you. Gonna catch up on my videos. It was from Sharon. Oh, okay. Bless you. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you. She says good luck with my shop. Hope so. Oh, we've got another one of these. I love this stuff. I really do. So I've got some dark blue and I've got some pink. And there's another one. Another one. This is lovely and soft. I really love this. Got something else now. What have we got here? We've got Hayfield Bonus DK, Extra Value, and this is cream. 100% acrylic, 306 yards, 280 meters in cream. Now I've had this in white. I've never had the cream. It is more of a kind of a, well, no, I suppose it is creamy, but it's more of a, not, you know, sometimes you get them where they're really, really, really creamy, and sometimes you get them where they're just like a subtle. Oh, this is pretty. This is James C. Brett Twinkle Fashion DK. But if my light shines on this, when it did in the bag, well, you can't really see what I can see, but it is absolutely twinkly. Really, really twinkly. This neckline is getting a bit baggy. Let's just find the bit. Okay, shade TK21. It's 96% acrylic and 4% polyester. Machine washable. Knits to all DKs, or most. 300 meters, 328 yards. That is mega twinkly. I mean, I had it in the bag and my light shone into the bag and it was like, whew. Paparazzi bulbs. That is beautiful. Is that it? That's it. That's, oh, hang on. Nearly knocked the pen off. So that's it. What's your favourite? What is your favourite? I can't pick. I really, really love this one. And now my brain is thinking, what can I make with that one? It's so lovely. But and I do love this. This is just gorgeous. This this kind of Happy Sheep brand is lovely. I've not managed to see that in a wholesale, but if I do find it, if I find you, I will get you. So yeah, that's this one you can't get wholesale. I think ABC Yarns went under and they were kind of bought up by Knitting Network, so they kind of do that with yarns. If there's one begging, like Emu, then they go buy it. But this is gorgeous, and I've got lots of that one. I've got 4 of those cakes, 3 of these, I think. Yeah, I'm making a mess on my side. But this one, I have to say, this is my favourite because these colours are just gorgeous. I love orange and this beautiful yellow, and it goes into this green look, and on the outside it comes into the dark. Isn't it just beautiful? So there is a pattern on here. Let's have a little look, shall we? I can turn the yarn band inside out without ripping it. Nearly there. Just need that little bit. There we are. Done. So I can put it back now, can't I? It is. Let's see what it says about this. I think you have to go somewhere to get it. Visit lionbrand.com and you can find that pattern maybe. Yeah, perhaps. I'd have to read the whole yarn band. Isn't it lovely? That is just beautiful. So if I turn it back in the right way without ripping it again. Didn't want to go that time. Not so easy. But there it is. Isn't that lovely? Look at all those colours. That's beautiful. So thank you so much, Sharon. Absolutely beautiful. I do appreciate it. You're so sweet to me. And I'll read this a little bit more in depth afterwards. So I absolutely love it. This is gorgeous stuff. I really like this one. Happy Sheep. We all like Happy Sheep. It's gorgeous. Thank you very much. I hope you like it. Tell me which ones you like. What would you make with 4 of these? It's just begging to be turned into something fantastic, isn't it? Thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care and see you soon. Bye for now.